morning, good day, good evening. I don't know what time you're watching this, but it's morning for me. And today we're gonna be doing a little DIY custom rad cover. Missed him. Snow's taking a bit of a shit kick in the last few days, but we still got some in the woods. It's melting in the trails, as you can see on our little road back there. So you know what that means. The mud's coming. Damn, look at that ass. She's dirty. Not even gonna bother turning the lights on in here. And maybe I will. There we go. So yeah, what we're gonna do is paint this bad boy. So a lot of people get custom covers. There's a lot of great companies out there that do it. They come out looking dope. But I'm just a regular guy with a regular income. So I thought what I'd do first time around is just do a little DIY accent to this. I've seen people paint the whole thing, just spray bomb the entire little diamond shape there. I don't think I'm gonna go that way. I don't want a huge blast of color, just a little accent, still keep the black, still keep it pretty subtle, just enough that it pops out. So I think I got a good idea. So let's get this baby off, take it inside, paint it up. Let's go. Okay, I was just gonna do a quick transition, zoom in on that, and then zoom out on it when I'm inside. But in case somebody wants to know how to take these covers off, I guess I'll show you right quick. So all you gotta do, pull up on this, pop it off, pull up on this, pop it off, and there's two tabs right here. Push them in while you pull back on this. Off she comes. And then you just take this screw out, that screw out, that screw out, away she goes. And I could use a drill, but my batteries are inside. It's 3 screws, and I'm not that lazy. Well, I'm too lazy to go inside, but not lazy enough to not use a screwdriver. So whatever that puts me at. Like I said, 1 screw, 2 screws, 3 screws. She pops right out of there. Now they all got these little clips on them. This one, keep it on there. And these are on this back plate here. Just don't lose them if you want it to go back on right. Alright, now let's take her in. So we're gonna do this inside, and I don't think I'm gonna do like quite a step-by-step tutorial on this one, but if it turns out, stick around to the end to see, but if it turns out, what I'll do is I'll put a little bit of step-by-step in the comments maybe, and give a little recap at the end. So fingers crossed, I'll show you a few steps along the way, and hopefully this works. Took a little bit of trial and error. If you're wondering why I just didn't put a line of tape along the middle, the top is actually narrower than the bottom. Once it hits here, it widens. So I wanted to keep my paint piece the same 1/4 inch the whole way around. I went with a little design here, so hopefully that looks okay. It doesn't look overly centered here. I might have to clean that up a little bit. All right, that's a little better. So now I'm just gonna rough up this a little bit. So the redneck paint booth is set up. Got the paint here. Here goes nothing. Okay, I'm in an unventilated room, so let's make these quick coats. Yo! All right, it's the next day. It's been about 22.5 hours, so I'm thinking that's close enough. Paint is dry to the touch, not tacky one bit. Let's peel this tape off, see how she looks. almost perfect, except for 3 spots. Well, problem pretty much solved. The paint was still tacky enough that I could cut the line again with my knife and then very carefully scrape off the extra. So it's not perfect, but at this point, it turned out about as good as I thought it would. So I'm pretty happy with it. Time to blast her with a clear coat and put it on the Audi. All right, time for the big official reveal. See how she looks on there. Oh yeah, that turned out perfect. Super happy with it. Not too much orange, just enough that it pops. Beauty. So I didn't really do too much of a step-by-step tutorial, so now that it did turn out good, I will kind of put the steps in the description below. So check it out if you want to. Give her a shot. Peace.